My video is about getting rid of fake Windows firewall protection alerts that quote fake Windows support number +1 855 342 0150. Once again, this is a fake Windows support number. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft. There are some online hackers who actually stand behind these pop-ups. They try to make you call this fake Windows support number. If you call it by mistake, you will hear some online hackers who will try to connect to your computer remotely, and then they may demand money from you supposedly to fix your device. Don't trust these deceptive and totally fake alerts. Don't ever interact with them. Just leave this page. I also recommend that you thoroughly research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.